Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Really glad you're here today. So it's already March, weather is getting warmer, and if you're a biker, you know the biking season is around the corner. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That feeling when you walk into your garage, look at your motorcycle, and just think, yeah, it's time. But I got a problem. This bike just won't start.
As soon as I powered up the bike, I'm getting all these fault messages. Parking light faulty, brake light faulty, license plate light faulty, headlamp faulty, and then I get this vehicle voltage low. So at this point I'm thinking maybe the battery is dead. But I have the bike on the battery charger, so the battery must be charging. But instead of the usual blinking or solid green light, it's blinking red. So it means battery charger is not detecting the battery. So I immediately look it up and seems like there's a fuse for the battery charger and that fuse might have blown out. So instead of replacing the battery, I first decided to take a look at the fuse.
So this is where you'll find the battery for the GS. So you need to open this panel and the battery is gonna be inside it. So you got one screw here and then you got two pins which goes inside these two holes. So this is my socket for the battery tender and it goes all the way inside and that's where it gets connected to the battery. And if you will see here, this is the fuse box for the battery tender, and if you open this up, it's tight, so you have to really pull it out. So that's the fuse. You take it out and just check it if it's okay. So if you'll see carefully inside, you'll see the fuse is blown out. This is a 20 ampere, I don't know if you can see this. It's a 20 ampere fuse. So I got this pack of 20 ampere fuses. It was about maybe like $2, $2.50. So it got 5 fuses. I just need one. All right, so we got a new fuse. It's 20 ampere, same rating. So yeah, we're gonna put this back in and that should fix the problem. Alright, so we got the fuse in. Let's tuck the wire in and put the panel back. So again, you got these two pins. They're gonna go into these two holes and then the third one's gonna have this screw. So I'll plug back the battery tender. Let's see if it works. So you can see it's not blinking anymore. It's a solid red and now it's blinking green. That means it's charging the battery now. So it detected the battery and it started charging now. So yeah, looks good. I think we fixed the problem. All right, so I've let the bike charge overnight. So let's see if it works now. So this is a good sign, a solid green light on the battery charger. This means battery is fully charged. So this should power up the bike and start it. So you can see it's showing 12.2 volts. I think it's enough to power up the bike and maybe we can also start it. Seems like we're back in business and ready for our next ride.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, ride safe.